Hello. So today I want to talk a little bit about knife skills, and in particular I want to look at the chest pull. So it's a really useful knife stroke, one I use an awful lot of the time. So let me demonstrate. So my knife position, so I've got the knife in my right hand, I'm right-handed, and I've got it in this normal reinforced grip, or fist grip as I often call it. The difference here, I'm going to turn the knife upside down in my hand, so it's now effectively upside down there. I've got a piece of hazel here I'm going to use to demonstrate. I'm going to poke that into my breastbone like so, and then just hold it with my left hand. So I'm just going to turn sideways so you can see what's going on. So I bring the knife back towards me like so. Now I know exactly what you're thinking at this point. What are you doing cutting towards yourself? It's a big no-no, and you would be right to say that, but there are exceptions, and this is one of those exceptions. In terms of safety, the key point here is to make sure that you keep the tip of the knife pointing away from you. So like this would be a bad thing. That way around, this is perfectly safe. So I'm just bringing the knife towards me in a controlled manner. More than that, I'm actually able to look down and see exactly what's going on with the knife. So that's the chest pull. There's a variation on the chest pull that I very much prefer actually, and that's called the reinforced chest pull. So for that, the stick is going to go into my breastbone again, like so. This time, however, I'm going to sort of use this part of my hand, this L shape, like so. And then I'm going to wrap my fingers of my left hand around my right hand. And this time, the knife is going to move because I push with my left fingers. So my right hand here is literally doing nothing more than just steering the knife, so the knife is only moving because I push. And so then what I could do is just bring my hand down in behind the knife like so, just so that I can carry on with that pushing motion. So because I'm pushing with my fingers, basically as soon as I stop pushing, the knife stops moving. So in terms of safety, that really increases the safety aspects of this cut. So again, what I'm doing is just pushing in there. So thanks for watching, guys. If you haven't yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, then please do.